Alright guys, quick video. I'm gonna show you really quick how to test your door lock actuator on your old Mercedes. As you can see, this is all mechanical. This is the door lock actuator. It has two diaphragms inside, and there's a couple of nipples here, and then there's basically two vacuum lines come in here. There's one unlock vacuum line, and then another one is lock vacuum line. So this is removed from the W123 Mercedes from the right rear door because I'm just doing some cleanup and a lot of other stuff. What you need to do to test it, so for example, if there's your door locks don't work really well or something else, so first thing is also check, make sure that these are holding vacuum and that they're operating properly. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a handy dandy vacuum pump that looks like this. You can get it anywhere, any store pretty much. I think I got this is Pittsburgh, so I got this from Harbor Freight. But basically what you need to do is one of these ports is going to be a lock, another one is going to be unlocked. So we're going to try this thing right now. I'm going to insert it here. Just be careful, this is these nipples are plastic, don't break them. And then now we're gonna pump it, and then you're gonna see these diaphragms move. So here we go, I'm gonna start pumping it. There you go, you saw those things move. And then you don't have to pump a bunch of vacuum, but as long as it's above 0, and then you're just gonna wait, make sure it doesn't leak. And this one is actually in a great condition, it doesn't leak, and it's working fine. So that's great. And then now I'm gonna release vacuum. Okay, release vacuum, and then I'm gonna switch ports. I'm gonna put one on the bottom. The one on the bottom is gonna be unlock. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. Pump a little bit of vacuum. You're gonna watch this going up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. Okay, same amount that I pumped right now, and it's holding vacuum, it's good. So this particular one is all good. I just took it off to show you guys, and the way it sits inside the door, there's two bolts that retain them. There's two vacuum lines going here, and then this one connects to your doorknob and lock mechanism basically. So this rod, these two diaphragms, depending on the vacuum supply or whatever, goes up and down. So that's how you test your door lock actuators, vacuum door lock actuators. Hope that helps. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Das Beste oder nichts. Alright, here's the progress. Really quickly gonna show you. So as you can see, this I reinstalled my actuator, vacuum actuator. And also, as you can see, this is all lubricated down there and everything. All the walls and the inside of the door are coated with wheel bearing grease, so it's gonna be really awesome. This thing is never gonna rust in there. It's gonna be really nicely protected. And I'm gonna show you, also lubricated the window regulator on this. So this comes off like that. So I just put it on just to show you how easily this thing moves. So one more time, I'm gonna do it. So there you go, let's see. So this is what I did. All right, lubricate all the tracks and stuff, and then I can add a little more, but never too much lubrication, right guys? So this is kind of my method. I grabbed like a brush, and then I'm just literally dabbing it, the grease everywhere. Good stuff, good stuff. And yeah, actually it really moves nicely, because before that you would have to put a lot of pressure into this thing to make it go up. Alright, so that's done, and then I'll show you this moves. Alright, so next thing is gonna be